In a place called Alphabet Park, 3 letters were about to embark on a fantastic journey.
Greetings, I'm T, and tapping is my trademark. Listen to my rhythm. T, 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 T.
Hello everyone, I'm A, and apples are my thing. Check out my sound. Ah!
Hi there, I'm P, and I left the fish by the pond. Can you hear my sound?
When these 3 letters unite, something magical happens. P, your tap dancing is top notch. P, your patience by the pond is praiseworthy. Let's combine our sounds and see what we get.
Terrific plan, let's do it.
Or tap as in tap on the door.
Or even the gentle tap of the fish in a pond. Together we're unstoppable. Always and forever.
T, A, and P showed us the magic of coming together. What sounds will you discover today?
Keep listening, keep learning, until our next step in adventure.
Keep listening, keep learning, until our next stopping adventure.
Keep listening, keep learning, until our next stop in adventure.
Why not call us today on 01924 50 60 10. Alternatively, you can call us on our mobile or WhatsApp 0795 1918 152 or email us on info@improvetuition.org. We can improve anyone, anywhere and in any subject.